Hello viewer, welcome to the HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today, we have come up with another interesting video. What is Tosca? Any software needs to be tested before it is released for use. Today, software testing tools play a crucial role in a tester's job, saving the software testers money and time. Multiple software testing tools are available in the market today, and many provide good quality service. Moreover, the introduction of automation pushed the software testing work ahead. In this regard, Tosca is a handy tool for software testing, and it holds the best position in the testing space. In this video, you will learn about Tosca in depth. So, let us understand the agenda of this video. What is Tosca? Components of Tosca. Career opportunities in Tosca. But, before you start learning Tosca, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's get started with, what is Tosca? Tosca stands for Topology and Orchestration Specification for Cloud Applications. It provides both solutions for software testing and quality assurance in the software testing. Simply put, Tosca is an automation tool for software testing that offers end-to-end software testing solutions. Moreover, Tosca, a group of test cases, is an automation tool that includes multiple aspects of software testing, such as designing test cases and test data, automation testing, analytics, integrated test management, and GUI. Further, Tosca makes testing much easier and offers great flexibility with automated testing solutions. Now, let us know about the components of Tosca. Tosca Test Suite has the following core components: Tosca Commander, Tosca Xcan, Tosca Repository, Tosca Executor. Tosca Commander. Tosca Commander is the core component of the Tosca, a group of test cases, and a graphical user interface of this test suite. The Tosca Commander uses the workspace to manage the test cases, and enables test designing, execution, and test script analysis very effectively and efficiently. Tosca Xcan. Another name for Tosca Xcan is Tosca Wizard, which is useful for scanning the device screens, including the input fields. It keeps the information safe and secure as modules within the Tosca Commander component. Tosca Repository. If the Tosca Commander runs in a multi-user environment, it uses standard repositories or storage to manage the projects within the database. Popular repositories include MS SQL Server, DB2, Oracle, and others. Tosca Executor. To run the test cases efficiently, Tosca Commander forwards them to the Tosca Executor. It runs these test cases on the test objects. Moreover, these test objects consist of a series of constant screens managed through automated tests. Now, let's look at the career opportunities in Tosca. For skilled Tosca automation test engineers, there are multiple job opportunities available. Many tech giants like Accenture, Lind, Fiserv, and others use Tosca in their IT testing. The average salary of a Tosca automation test engineer ranges between rupees 4 to 10 lakhs per annum. The growing skills and experience can enhance the salary range of these experts. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this video informative. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel and just click the bell icon to get new notifications on our next videos. Also, follow us on social media platforms for the latest updates, blogs, and videos. To build a strong career in Tosca, visit www.hkrtrainings.com and advance your career.